Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, it's JansCrazyLife, and I am happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, everyone. I am opening. This is the swap back from Imperfect Crafts. Perfectly Imperfect Crafts. We did a challenge. Oh my god. We did a challenge and oh my gosh. I mean, we did. She hosted the Patchwork Embellishment swap where we sent in either one or two and we got back, but I just seen, oh my gosh. I just seen what you sent me. Okay. I'm gonna have to do a whole nother video on that because that is its own thing. Okay, so let's see who I got. First one I got is, let's open up a little note. Alright, how about we dump everything? Oh, so cute. It's funny, I need to make a summer project, so I will probably be using most of this. Look how cute this is. Let's see who it's from first. So cute. It's Stephanie Johnson, sweetest person. I will have her channel linked below. Oh, she just says her YouTube channel is Stephanie Johnson. She loves crafting. All paper crafting is her thing. I do most of it, but I enjoy all crafting. Her favorite color is purple. That is so cute. Oh, bless them, are so sweet. So look, she sent so adorable these little cut aparts. I like the little bean suit. Oh, the castle. That is adorable. So let me put this back in a little envelope and here. Alright, so then we will open up Stephanie's box. So pretty. Alright, so Stephanie's says hello summer, so I'm gonna believe summer is the theme, and these flowers are gorgeous and made with love by Stephanie, and it says shine bright like a diamond. I know. Look at these flowers, and you know she hand makes them all and they're so pretty. I could have used those on my project share, that thing I was wearing. And she sent so, I mean, this is so pretty. She sent so much. Oh, look, she has these little tabs. They're little boxes that hold, so when you lift out the paper, it all comes out. That's smart. Do y'all see this? I mean, that is genius idea. I love that idea. And then there's this beautiful, here she sent away a lot of washi samples. She has this beautiful trim that is ribbon, all the yarn, and I mean, it's so pretty. Look at these beautiful flowers and the cut aparts and it's so good. Look at this. And all of these cut aparts. Thank you for doing this, Kat. It's so much work. Believe me, I know. It's so much work, and I do appreciate you more than you will ever know for doing it. Okay, so that's Stephanie's box. Amazing. Let's put this here. I'm going to put it back in the bag so you know. Alright. And then the next person I got was, let's open it and find out. Alright. This is, oh, I got Anna. Thank God. Because Anna's, I mean, no offense to anyone, but Anna is like out of this world amazing. So she just puts a little bit about her, and then she sent, so if you guys want to know, Anna's birthday's in September the 4th. She likes girly and cute. Her favorite colors is black and dark pink or black and red. Nice. Look at these little envelopes she sent, and this one has something in it. These cut apart, so pretty, and some of the tags, so I'm assuming that goes with her paper. And there is, oh, more cut aparts. What's so funny is Anna, oh, you cut, these are amazing. Anna is such an amazing, inventive, creative crafter. So if you guys aren't subbed to her, y'all need to. I will have Kat's channel, Stephanie's channel, and Anna's channel linked below. Anna's super, super talented and creative. So it's the Paris theme. Let's open it up. It says gorgeous all year round, handmade by Anna the Tiny Crafter. And she made these little boxes as well. Or she made these little things that hold the paper. I love that. But then she made these little boxes that hold her trim, which is genius. And she's got a tutorial on how she did it, which I need to go watch again, because look at this, guys. Do y'all see this little bitty tiny box she made? And in the box is, she needs to host something, because we could learn from her, is the trim. I mean, that is adorable, as well as that trim is so cute. That's smart, Anna. Genius. And there's these little cut aparts. Oh, look. I mean, the boxes, though. I need a whole thing with just these boxes. Beautiful trim. So creative. And then she's got her, oh, look at this. This is so cute. She has her washi samples on these little clips. That's cute. That's adorable. And then here is, how cute is this? That is her ribbon, and she's got a little thing of washi. Oh, some, look at this. These bows, and there's washi. And then there's something down here. Oh, look at these little cameras. How stinking cute are those? Alright, and then she's got flowers that she, I'm 100% sure, has made in here. And what, and then she's got brads in here and bling in here, and I'm sure there's 2 more lace and trim. This is gorgeous, Anna. Alright, hold on. I can't wait for us to make something with all this. It's so pretty though, but taking it apart kind of gives me anxiety, but it's so pretty, and the stuff like that you could use with all this. Look at that beautiful rickrack. So pretty. Alright, so thank you so much, ladies. I appreciate it, and super blessed to have gotten your box. Thank you. And if you guys have any questions, you can always put it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Bye, guys.
Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own